This is an update to the video School of Retail Technology. This update shows the incredible amount of support for each component of the retail technology. There is way too much available to provide any real details, but it is meant to spark your interest. As I put this together, I was amazed at how much is there. What surprised me even more is that I was involved in creating all of it. This is in part what sparked me being given the title, The Wizard of Pause. The standards quoted in this video are for the most part at omg.org/retail. The Retail Network Fundamentals covers the requirements for delivering messages. It includes things like security, bandwidth, and latency. It also includes the various architectures used to transfer messages from point A to point B. Having the ability to build and deliver messages, retail services cover the modern microservices architecture. The current virus exposed the flaw with the monolithic model most retailers have. The move to an agile microservices model gives the ability to change directions on a dime. With an understanding of the various methods and requirements for delivering messages, canonical messaging is about the content and format of those messages that can be understood by different systems without translation, thus separating each system into its own. This further enables the ability to change directions on a dime with one application without impacting other applications. The set of interface definitions you see here covers almost 90% of the interfaces in retail. A large number of services require some sort of coordination to accomplish a business need. Service choreography is about discovering the location and capability of the various services, then either coordinate or choreograph those services to accomplish a business need. Allowing associates all over the world to use these coordinated services require access to those services from anywhere. Cloud computing enables locating, using, and allocating the business processes anywhere in the world so that the associates can easily use them. Once the messages get to their endpoints, master data management is about storing the data in a common format to be accessed and used across the entire enterprise. This enables everyone to talk the same language in order to make intelligent decisions on the same information. The retail data model has over 7,000 attributes covering over 80% of the operational information necessary to run a retail enterprise. To move into the modern retailer world, Internet of Things brings devices into the retail ecosystem. For the first time, real-world events are accessible in the virtual world. For example, a refrigerator reorders eggs when they run low. IoT brings a massive change to the retail landscape. One of the first areas standardized was around devices. The Unified POS standard has been in existence since the late 1990s. These components are the building blocks for business processes. Retail business process modeling helps identify what business processes should be built. And this is quite important because what business process is important to one business may not be important to a different business. I have dramatically extended the insight brought by this business process model. Finally, all of this comes together to allow the customer to order wherever they are and in any way they wish under the concept of universal commerce. Now that we've had a look at a modern, dynamic, flexible retail architecture, we need to understand how to put it to use. That is, be able to understand the business store model, i.e. the running applications, the business process model, that is the processes being executed, and the business lifecycle model, which allows the execution of the business strategy through people, processes, and information to make the company work. This is what runs on the architecture that we've shown in this video. Thank you for watching my video on retail technology architecture. I am the Wizard of Pause. My name is Richard Halter, and to help you understand the complexities of retail world, I've written a book called Arts for Retail, available on Amazon. In addition, I've started a school of retail. My first course is on unified commerce. Other courses are coming. All the standards in this presentation are available at omg.org/retail. Thank you.